Run, go. Ah! Oh my god! So hey guys, we just arrived here.
I can't do golden rings, but I give you everything. Magic is in the
So hey guys, today's Monday and it's bonfire night. So today we're gonna go with a family bowling and we're gonna go and see a fireworks show. Hey guys, we just came out for our walking because we go every single Monday walking, like running. So we're trying to keep healthy. When I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna put my makeup on and get ready for a family day out. So guys, we're going down this weird path. This is what it looks like. So like, oh sorry. Like, we don't know where it leads to. Oh, it says private somewhere.
Oh my gosh.
I'm scared.
This is private keeper.
It is creepy. Well, what if we die? Oh, birds. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Oh gosh, what the hell was that? Oh my gosh, I feel like...
What is that?
Run, go. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, what the hell was that? Right guys, oh my gosh, like we were just running. We just made it out of that stupid house, the creepy house. Like,
Well, we wasn't in the creepy house.
like we wasn't in it, but like we were running outside of the house. Like there was a man, yes, staring at us like really, you know, creepy. He was just staring at us really, oh my gosh, it was so scary. So guys, we just got home, so now we're safe. Like we're gonna like get ready because I got 45 minutes to get ready. So I'm gonna be really fast to put my makeup on, to do my hair and get dressed. So yeah. So hey guys, we just got ready. So this is my outfit of the day. Yeah, like I got my makeup done, my hair. So we just got ready and like we're gonna go bowling with our family. So yeah, see you there. So hey guys, we just arrived here. We are with a family there, can you see? So we just arrived here. So like we're gonna bowl. We're going bowling. Like, we're gonna bowl. So yeah, it's gonna be fun.
She's doing a YouTube.
So yeah, thank you, bye. So hey guys, we like just like we're going to have our lunch. So I got a jacket potato. We were just playing like pool and we were playing. What else we were playing?
Ice hockey.
Oh, we're gonna play ice hockey. So like yeah, it's fun. So hey guys, just got home from bowling. Like we got home at 2 o'clock, but it's 4 o'clock now. Like it was so cold when I got home, so I just went into my bedroom and put a dressing gown on. I'm gonna redo my makeup because like my face was really oilish and it was like really warm. So like my foundation was like not good. So yeah, I'm gonna redo my makeup. I'm gonna straighten my hair again because it's not good. So yeah, I have to brush and straighten. Hi guys, we're back. Like we're going to the bonfire night now. It's about
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
guys, like we're going home now because it's like 10 o'clock. Like it was so good. Like we just had food. I had a hot dog. Like yes, it was like really good. Like there's still fireworks going on, but like we're just gonna go home because it's like 10 o'clock. Like all our friends came. It was really fun. So yeah. Guys, I just got home. So I'm really sorry about the bad quality because it was really dark outside and you couldn't even see me, you know, when I was talking. But this is the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed my video. So like, subscribe, and if you think the fireworks were really good, so just comment below. So yeah, thank you for watching.
Give you every